Patient is prescribed digoxin 1.25 milligrams. Tablets are 500 micrograms each. How many tablets? Right, the units aren't the same, so we need to make them the same. So I'm going to go from the large ones here, milligrams. I'm going to convert these into micrograms. Milligrams to micrograms, multiply by 1,000. So we have 1.25 milligrams. Multiply that by 1,000. That's milligrams. Multiply by 1,000. We bounce the decimal point 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And we get 1250. It started here and it went 1, 2, 3. Right? So 1.25 milligrams is the same as 1,250 micrograms. This is our prescribed amount. Tablets are 500 each. How many would you administer? Well, we put the prescribed amount and we divide that by the amount per tablet, 500, like this. So that's 1,250 divided by 500. Cancel above and below by 10, and then we can divide above and below by 5. And 5 into 50 goes 10 times. 5 into 12 goes twice, and 2 over 5 into 25 goes 5 times. So now we've 25 over 10. 25 divided by 10. Bounce the decimal point inwards, and we get 2.5. So the answer is 2.5 tablets. Doesn't make sense. Well, if you had 2 of those, you'd have 1,000 micrograms, and then another half would be 250 onto that. So it does make sense.